Guys, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Spocket dropshipping. Okay, so if you're actually considering on using a Spocket for dropshipping, we're going to dive in. Users feel about it, guys. We're going to dive into that. Now, Spocket has actually, become a popular choice for many dropshippers. Okay, primarily because it provides access to products that are sourced from suppliers in the U.S. and Europe, guys. Okay, unlike many dropshipping platforms that rely heavily on suppliers from China. What does this mean? Okay, what this means that shipping times are often faster, which is a big advantage if you want to compete with other e-commerce sellers or meet customer expectations for prompt delivery. Okay, it's ideal for anyone who wants to offer high quality products without that long wait times associated with overseas shipping. Imagine waiting like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 2 months for your product, 3 months. Come on, guys. Okay, you don't need to wait for those long wait times that associate with overseas shipping. Okay, and that's a major selling point for many who want to ensure a seamless shopping experience. Okay, now this website, it integrates smoothly with Shopify and WooCommerce, which it makes it easy for you to add your products to your online store with just a few clicks, guys. Okay, few clicks, you can browse products, you can select those that match your brand, you can import them directly to your store, all within the Spocket app, guys. All within the Spocket app. All right, and many users actually appreciate that Spocket offers them a diverse range of products. You know, um, clothing, there's accessories, there is home goods, there is beauty items. It gives the store owners the flexibility to choose products that fit their niche. Okay, another helpful feature is the automated order processing, guys, which allows orders to be automatically routed to suppliers for fulfillment. This saves a lot of time, especially for larger stores, as it reduces the manual work that is involved in containerizing or coordinating these shipments. Okay, and one of Spocket's standout feature, guys, is the pricing and a discount structure. Okay, the platform claims that it offers products at a 30 to 60% discount from retail prices, which can actually be advantageous for store owners who want to maintain competitive pricing while ensuring good profit margins. This is actually a significant benefit for small business owners or entrepreneurs looking to start their first dropshipping business, as it makes the economics of dropshipping more feasible. However, the costs are not entirely without downsides, guys. While Spocket offers a free plan, okay, there is a free plan that lets you browse the catalog and check out products, but to truly access the full range of features like unlimited products, premium suppliers, and branded invoicing, you'll actually need to go one of their paid plans. There's a mention that while there are more US and European suppliers, right, Spocket's product variety can still feel limited depending on the niche you're targeting. For example, if you're looking for very specific tech gadgets or unique items, you might find more options on platforms that source from Asia. Additionally, although the shopping times are shorter than typical dropshipping platforms, they're still not as fast as Amazon's Prime delivery or other major retailers, which can make it hard for new dropshippers to compete directly with those giants. Also, guys, it's worth noting that Spocket's a refund policy, guys. Well, it can be somewhat strict, so as it largely depends on the supplier's policies, which sometimes makes it challenging for store owners if a customer wants a refund or exchange. Okay. Also, guys, customer feedback on Spocket is generally positive, with many store owners highlighting, its reliability, ease of use, strong customer support team. And for drop shippers that are focused on building a brand and, establishing credibility with customers, The ability to actually ship from trusted suppliers in like US and Europe, along with other features like branding, invoicing, it can make a big difference. Okay, Spocket is designed for store owners who prioritize quality, and they're willing to invest in a platform that actually gives them access to high quality products, even if it means paying a little bit more than they would pay on other dropshipping sites. All right, guys. So basically, in summary, Spocket actually has a lot to offer for dropshippers that are focused on quality, faster shipping times, and a user-friendly experience. Okay, it might not be for every niche, and the paid plans could be a factor for those just starting out. But for anyone who's serious about building a store with reliable products and good margins, Spocket is definitely